Smartphones are dying, and these three tech giants are building what comes next. Elon Musk is working on Neuralink, a brain chip that lets you control devices just by thinking. No more screens, no more typing. Want to send a text? Just think it. It's already in human trials, and it might replace your phone sooner than you think. Mark Zuckerberg is betting on AR glasses and the Metaverse. Instead of looking down at your phone, info pops up right in front of you. Calls, messages, even maps, all in your line of sight. And inside the Metaverse, your digital self can meet, work, and live in a whole new reality. Sam Altman, the mind behind OpenAI, sees AI as your next phone. Think AI assistants that do everything: book flights, answer emails, even create content. No apps, no scrolling. Just ask, and it happens. His investments in devices like the Humane AI Pin are already removing screens completely. Smartphones won't disappear overnight, but they're evolving into something smarter, faster, and invisible. From mind control chips to AI wearables and glasses that replace reality, your next phone might not look like a phone at all. Which one do you think will take over? Musk's brain chips? Zuck's AR world? Or Altman's AI Minders?